today we are traveling to Abu Dhabi, where we are going to Al Quwa. Why we are going there, what we will see there, all the details I'll let you listen from the horse's mouth, from the person who is like mastermind of this plan. Though the initiative was taken by Shubhoda, but he's the one, he's Arindam Da, who once visited there, and he gave us a exceptional review about that place and told us that it's a must visit place, and that's why we are very excited about that. So you'll be hearing it from him. So now we have started our journey, and the people who are going from Dubai will be meeting at the first meeting station. After that there is another meeting point from where Abu Dhabi people will be joining us. So we are like a family of 8, so you'll get to know everybody. So stay tuned.
Okay, we are going today to the darkest spot of UAE. It is also known as the Milky Way spot. Why? Because all over the countries, everywhere you go, you'll find nowadays something called light pollution. And we are going to a place which is having the minimal of this light pollution. It is something around 200 kilometers away from Dubai, and something around 120 kilometers away from Abu Dhabi, and we are expecting to see a fantastic show of stars, sky full of stars, normally which you do not see in the cities, and we will see the Milky Way core, the galaxy core, as well as we are also expecting the Lyrid meteor shower, which is the peak was on 22nd actually, but let us see. We are keeping our finger crossed.
Thank you so much. This is your plan, and we are so excited to be a part of your plan. Let's see what we see today. So along with us we have Rajiv Da, Ruma Di, Shwetali Di, and we have 3 more members, right? 3 more family. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so this is our first spot where we have stopped. We guys came from Dubai, and from here we will be going to Abu Dhabi, where we will stop at another spot. We are going, it's almost near Saudi Arabia border. That's why you see the map is also showing Saudi Arabia. So that is Arindam Das car, which one we are following. And now we are going towards, we already met, as you saw, you got the intro from Arindam Da. We already met our fellow members, and now we are going to Abu Dhabi, where that will be our second meeting point, and from there we'll be directly going to Al Quwa. Second meeting point, see, people from Abu Dhabi is here, and from here it will be 40 minutes drive. So it will be 40 minutes drive from here. So we'll be starting now, as everybody came. Sorry. Our other teammates, they reached here early, and what they did is that they checked in a hotel in Abu Dhabi, because it is difficult to drive so much. From here it will be 40 minutes again. And here are some other members are yet to come. Started our journey to Al Quwa from our last meeting point, and now I have these 3 with me, because these 2 irritated their parents so much. Yeah, not him. This guy, Sony, and this one, Ishan Awasthi. He irritated their parents. They both irritated their parents so much. They said that please take both of them. And now this road will be going straight to Al Quwa. Look at this beautiful landscape. Oh my God! And if you come here alone, you will be very scared, I guess, because still we can see some lights over there, like road lights are there, but I'm sure there when you reach there will be no lights or something.
Failure.
It seems that it's taking us towards that sky, isn't it? And it's looking like isn't it looking like Kazakhstan when we went towards the outskirts of Almaty? Remember? No,
wasn't any desert.
No, the desert was not there, but this barren land, and we cannot see that icy mountain.
Canyon.
Yeah, like when we were around Charan Canyon, correct. Sunset time, how beautiful it is looking. We started from Dubai, the time was 3:30 exactly, and the first point of Dubai first meeting point we reached at 4:25. And we started around 4:30, and we reached at the next meeting point little late. skipped one exit, so it took us 5:45, and right now the time is 6:48, and still we have 4 more minutes to reach that Al Quwa gate, the proper place of what location we have fit in our map. And this place, it looks so barren. There is nothing. There is no road light. There is no one. Like as if we have come to some no man's land. I will show you around. Just check it out. Scary, right?
Think about at night what will happen.
Yeah. This is the gate from where we enter this.
This looks so
Al
scary, guys.
Quwa.
You guys,
This
See,
is-
littering is prohibited.
Please keep the area clean. Bikes are not permitted.
you guys
All our team members, they have reached. I don't think anybody else is there. Only it's only, no. There are many people. Like see,
have a good life, buddy.
they're not with us. No, they're with us. More inside, I guess. So much sand you can see.
Have a good life, guys. Budgies.
This side area, it looks like this.
Stop going forward.
We are following Orindamda. I don't know. There's zero visibility. How is he seeing? My God, are you sure we can drive here? Yeah, Orindamda is sure that we can. This is our car. Nah, why do you need mask? We need. And see those sand dunes.
Hey guys, wanna go down?
मुझे तो बहुत गर्मी लग रही है কতগুলো গাড়ি আছে? How many cars we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cars we have, and we have 8 family. We can go there also, but I'm not sure whether we are going.
এটা হচ্ছে অ্যারাউন্ড 11টা 11:30 নাগাদ
হ্যাঁ
এই জায়গাটাতে এরকম লম্বা করে এটা দেখতে পাওয়া যায় আর কি গ্যালাক্টিক কোডটা দেখতে পাওয়া যায়
Okay, here we can see the galactic code, right? So you're studying this with which app?
फोटो पिल्स
फोटो पिल्स. ओके, इसका ना यहाँ डाल, साथ कर दे. हम यहाँ पे आज हम यहीं रुकेंगे, जाएंगे नहीं. हम लोग रात को यहीं सोने वाले हैं. Look at us with all our stuff. This is where we have put all our mat and all, and now like Rumadi will be busy making that muri makha, which we Bengalis cannot go anywhere without that. Orindamda is doing that tripod thing. He's fixing that tripod. This is the biggest sand dune in front of us, and those are the small sand dunes. One more thing, there is no washroom here. If you're coming here, be careful, and you have to control you see they're all waving at you. So here for making chai and all, we have got this extra set of light. Oh my God, Shubhoda, be careful. See those cars, those are ours. Which distribution is going on? Haan. Show me the sandwich. Is it the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, ये chicken sandwich.
বাচ্চাগুলো এখন কার খিদে পাচ্ছে না? Who is not hungry? Show me your face. I got my chicken sandwich. Shubhoda got it from Caesar. Here he is. Everybody is enjoying their.
ये chicken है.
ধরো
ये chicken है.
ধরো না এটা
Rumadi, what are you doing? ঝালমুড়ি, ঝালমুড়ি. এটা কি ডিম? Oh, acha. We also have vegetarian with us here. The kids are having chicken sandwich. You got your chicken sandwich? Everybody got sandwiches, and now we will have muri makha and chai. We cannot play music over here, so there will be no music and all. And this light will also be turned off. So till the time light is there, I'm taking. And this is how the sky looks. मुड़ी खाओ. अच्छा है, बताओ. अच्छा है.
এই মুড়ে খাও
মুড়ে.
মুড়ি ঝাল মুড়ি খাও
মানে গুজরাটিদেরকে আমরা বাঙালি মুড়ি খাইয়েছি বলো, হ্যাঁ না?
আমি তো মুড়েই করতে পারছিলাম না
हमारे वैसे बनाते हैं.
বানাতে
recall what they call মুড়ি in English. So I wrote মুড়ি
puffed
simply.
rice. They make it but with chutney, variety of chutney.
घर में कभी चटनी नहीं होता ना,
हाँ.
केचप डाल के बनाते हैं.
There's another car coming. I don't know whether they have people inside it. So we had sandwich, muri, now chai in the making, and she's our for today's tea maker. Thank you. This is how it looks when the light is off, and if I pan towards the sky.
Auntie, my father allowed me to use eye torch.
Hello. It's ready. Here, one Didi is making it, one Didi is serving it. This is how we are seeing stars and parting with the stars.
Yeah, guys, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's pretty.
Lyrid meteor shower is the least among those. ওটাতে খুব বেশি উল্কাপাত হয় না আর কি. There are not too many meteors are there actually. You can see only like at the peak you can see at most 15 to 20 meteors per hour. In fact, Perseid meteor shower which happens during October is much more. You can see like 150 meteors per hour, something like that. But the good thing about this meteor shower is sometimes there can be a blast.
Oh my
you can
God.
see a bigger size of meteor is falling, right? And this is the oldest meteor shower that has been identified by human race. I think like even 4,000 years before also. People from Egypt and all, they have identified this meteor shower. So that is the specialty about this meteor shower actually. Okay.
And with this, wow, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. हाँ दीदी बड़ो. Thank you. नेकी और पूछ पूछ. Everybody got chai and all. Now turn off light. It is moving in such a way. It was there. It came here.
The one next to it is moving away.
Yeah.
The next to it is moving away.
Yeah. This one was there. It came here. Only one star that is visible in phone, but there are many stars.
On that side basically.
We will be seeing Milky Way this side.
Deyu, बंद कर दे रहे. Okay, tell. Deyu, तब आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay.
So they were coming from Dubai to Abu Dhabi to play on match. So they had what that like sort of those Toyota Hiace minibus type of thing. So they went into that. So the driver dropped them, and then the driver was coming back. The driver was a Pakistani guy. Then apparently on the way, on the Alain Road, the driver met with an accident, very severe accident. Then they got the news, they rushed back because they knew the driver also a bank staff or banker driver there, and he died. He could not sustain those injuries. But before he died. People asked him in the hospital what happened and all that. So what he could tell was that he dropped these people in Alain. Then he was coming back. Then it was just like around sunset time or just after sunset. So he found one guy was waiting by the side of the street, waiting for a lift. That guy sat at the back. This guy was driving. This guy was sitting in the back. And then they were talking with each other, looking in the mirror, like how you can see the mirror and talk with somebody on the back seat. So he was driving, he was sometimes talking. Then suddenly he once looked in the mirror and he saw this on the back seat. This guy was like sitting, and his full face was covered with blood. There was blood all over his face. And actually apparently he had a very big tongue, and he stuck out that tongue and he was licking his own blood like. That side was.
So we are listening to ghost stories and nothing is visible here. My God, you look so scary. I'll show you. Wow.
She started screaming, okay, to her husband.
SOS option. Oh, this is SOS option.
But she thought that
Now Dhokla is coming. Dhokla. But Dhokla नहीं है ना, खमन है ना. খামান না দুটো হয়, একটা বোধহয় খামান হয় আর ঢোকলা বোধহয় আলাদা হয়, মানে দুটোই দেখতে ওই বলতে পারবে। सेजल ये खमन है कि ढोकला है?
ये एक्चुअली नायलॉन खमन है.
ये नायलॉन खमन है और ढोकला अलग है, राइट? ये ढोकला
ढोकला बहुत तरीके से.
9:28 now sausages will be get fried. এই ছবি আসবে? Next item is sausages by Probida. He took the initiative of making it, so he is carrying so many sausages with him, you can see, and here he is frying those. Time is now 10 o'clock and we are having our jeera cola and we are just chit chatting. Many people are coming now, you see. those who already know when to come exactly, because we heard that we'll be able to see this Milky Way light around 11. So it just looks tempting, huh?
But you name it, you will get it over.
Thank you. Most welcome. सच्ची लगती है ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम. Pastry. That's another food.
পুরো খেলে খেয়ে নাও।
ওটা খেলে খেয়ে নাও, নাও।
কেউ খাচ্ছে না তাই
কারোর আর পেটে জায়গা নেই। हाँ, कहाँ गया स्प्रिंग रोल? दे যদি तेरा. This is next item, spring roll. Now. So after we saw Akash Ganga, after we saw the Milky Way, Rupadi is serving us with this variety of yum light. I mean yum sweets. It's very dark here now. Our lights is on. The time is now 12:33, and here we are wrapping around. He's our planning master. He's also wrapping up his camera, and here we have done all mess. Now we are like wrapping it up. Shubhoda, কেমন ছিল এক্সপেরিয়েন্স?
দারুণ, ওখান থেকে যেতে ইচ্ছা করছে না।
আর
সব জিনিসের তারা এন্ড আছে। আমরা এত সুন্দর দেখলাম গ্যালাকটিক এটা, এত মিটিওর শাওয়ার, it was wonderful. Thank you to Arindam for bringing us here.
and thanks to you also for taking the initiative.
আমি করছিলাম সবাইকে, তোমরা সবাই দলবল মিলে এলে, এই জন্য আমাদের এতজন মিলে এলাম। Time was spent well, and thanks to your friends who also joined us.
Yeah, and thanks to Arindam da also. Arindam da, thank you.
Thank you, thanks to
আসো
everybody.
একটু লাইমলাইটে আসো। হ্যাঁ, thank you so much.
Thank you everybody for having patience. Watching star is like catching fishes, you know.
Yeah, right.
The fish may come, may not come, it is up to the fish.
So you have to have the patience.
You all have the patience to watch at least something
Yeah,
at
right.
the end of night. And seeing all these stars around was a phenomenal thing in itself.
Correct. And we'll come again, right? We can plan again, right? Yeah.
আমরা কি একটুখানি 3 cheers করতে পারি?
Yeah. 3 cheers for Arindam da and Shubhoda also.
3 cheers for Arindam and Shubho.
Hip hip hooray! Hooray! So that's it. We are done with our Alcoa trip. Yeah, everybody is like wrapping up. You saw all mats and all here. Now we have cleaned it. We have not kept our mess here. We have cleaned it nicely and wrapped it up and kept it in that bag. You can see that's a garbage bag. And the time now is around 1. So time to say goodbye. So bye-bye everyone. And if you plan to come to Alcoa, get in touch with me or Arindam da. He'll give you all the information. See how dark it is. Nothing is like visible actually. But it was a good time, and this is the whole team. Okay, chalo, bye-bye, take care.